Hello there. Welcome to part two of a potential nor'easter slash powerful winter storm possible. So here are the GEFS ensembles. Very useful. Just shows you all of the possible different scenarios that will help you ultimately come up with an average of okay. So this is where it could go. So go to 150. Ignore ensemble member 20. I don't know what the heck's going on with it. Some major glitch, but we'll get on with it. So you'll notice right here, all of the ensembles have that snow starting to form. This one's off towards Montana though somehow. I don't know what's going on. And then here is Saturday, about mid morning. I mean early morning Saturday. Again has it in Wyoming. This one already has it arriving in Iowa though. Like much larger. Same thing for this one. So that this one's just super small. So I would say generally it could start arriving in Nebraska, not quite Iowa, but we'll need to watch that potential. But you can also already tell that this one's more northerly. These are overall more northerly with the storm. Then here's evening Saturday. They have it practically stalling a bit, like not stalling. This one already has it hitting Wisconsin though. This one already has it headed to Wisconsin. Then this one has by mid morning the heaviest snow moving through southern Wisconsin, all throughout Iowa and Missouri. The same thing for this one. This one's a bit more here there. This one's has a very, very large snow shield though. Would also produce some gusty winds, and then this one would probably be the worst in terms of wind. And then this one already has it to Pennsylvania, so I think that's an outlier. It's too fast with the storm. But then this one's also a bit too slow with the storm. So generally, the main idea is that right around early morning Monday, it could hit in Wisconsin. Like this one in particular would already have it hitting cyclogenesis. I will cover what cyclogenesis is because I already know that some of you are probably like, well, what the heck's that? Well, anyways, heavy snowfall there, potential blizzard-like conditions. This one wouldn't be as strong of it, but it would still be very bad. Then here's afternoon Monday, and then just again turns into nor'easter, all that fun stuff. Then here's the snowfall accumulations. So right here, this one would have widespread like 6 to 9 inches fall through eastern North Dakota all the way through Michigan, and then again, all of these for sure have it intensifying in the northeastern U.S., but some are worse than well, others aren't quite. This one's the most severe of the storm, though. I mean, look, right around 20 inches in southern Wisconsin. I think that's a little bit too much. I think the average would be would call for a widespread of about 5 to 9 inches across Wisconsin and Iowa, and then northeastern U.S. could be looking at potential 30 to 35 inches. So this could be a high impact system. This is far out, so again, lots of uncertainties. Many things can change, but this is certainly something interesting that has been up for about a day now. So looks like the models are pretty confident what they think's gonna happen. So also another thing I want to talk about would have been that wind. Again, GFS model here. Continental US. Always go to continental US unless if you're certain of the region. And then this is again about 1,500 feet from there, so winds will be a bit. As you can see here, it would show that well it's producing powerful winds towards the mid-Atlantic and northeastern US. Again, some widespread wind advisory and maybe even some isolated high warning criteria winds are possible. Also right here, far beyond the storm, some wind advisory criteria winds are possible, especially in Minnesota, Iowa, northern Missouri, Illinois, and Wisconsin. So that's a video for today. I hope that you're informed.